Yo, what's up, Bar Builds family? This your boy Kubo, back at it again with another little video. Today, we're going to be doing a video on shorty antenna. The shorty antenna that we're going to be installing is from Ronin Factory. It's going to be a short, stubby antenna to replace the factory. Well, you guys know the factory antenna. Super long antenna, about this big, with this 4-inch shorty stubby antenna. Thank you to Ronin Factory for sending me this. And we're going to get this started. Let's go. Alrighty guys, right here we got the factory antenna that I'm talking about. Check it out. That's the one that's gonna go. Adios. But just to give you guys a little perspective of how it looks now, that's how it looks right now before we change it out. Long antenna, gonna be replaced with this one right here. Alrighty guys. For this specific installation, it's gonna be super easy. For some trucks, you might need to get some type of pliers to open it up and take it out. Because sometimes this grip is on really tight and you might need some pliers to make it undo. However, for my application, it is a brand new truck and either it wasn't on right, but it's conveniently easy. I'm just twisting it off to the left, counterclockwise. And it's out. There it is. Alrighty guys. Now we're gonna open this one. And see what's inside. Obviously they give some threads if you need them. Let's see what else is in here. Let's see what else is in here. Okay.
This is trash.
It says right there the explanation for those little threads. And then the actual antenna. Check it out. Beautiful antenna. Very, very nice. I got the 4-inch version.
That is so pretty.
Definitely gonna look nice. Alright guys. Alrighty. So as you can tell, they had the thinner, longer version thread, and then a little bit more thick but shorter. That's the one we went with to match the OEM one. So now that we put that end inside the actual stubby, we're gonna be placing that in there. Here it is. Check it out. There it is. Nice and tight. Looks nice. Alrighty. Finished product, just so you guys see. Very nice. Way better. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Alright guys, definitely recommend if you're in the market for a shore antenna, hit these guys up and they'll get you squared away. Thanks again for watching the video and stay tuned for the next one. Borrow Build family, God bless y'all. Thank you.
Jesus love you.
Jesus love you. We out.
Peace.